boys and girls and parents and families, guardians. Today we are working on Module 4, 2nd grade, Lesson 8, okay? So we're going to start out with number patterns, okay? So fluency practice really quickly. 124, 134, 144. What's the next pattern? 154. Very, very good. What is the place value of the digit that's changing? What is the place value that's changing? As you can see, it's the tens, right? The tens column. And what is the pattern? We're basically counting by, turn and talk and tell your family members. Yes, we're counting by tens, right? 124, 134, 144, 154. Excellent, excellent work. Okay, great. Now our application problem for today is, and as we know, how do we solve an application problem? We use the read, draw, write strategy. We read it, we look for some clue words, and then we compute it. We make sure the numbers are in alignment and we are precise. So here we go. I'm going to cover this up with this. So we are now looking at the answers. And here you get, if you look over here, you said, at the school fair, 29 cupcakes were sold and 19 were left over. How many cupcakes were brought to the fair? So I want you to pause the video and solve this with your family members or by yourself. But before you start, I want you to turn and talk about the strategies. Okay, excellent. So if you solve this correctly, you can use a tape diagram. Here was the arrow method was used as well as the number bond method. And you see that 29 plus 19 equals 48. If you use the number bond strategy, you break the 28 and the 1. You turn this into the 19 and the 1 to a 20, right? And you can add the 20 and you get the 48 there. And, or you can use the arrow method where you got 29 plus 20 equals 49 minus 1 is 48. Another strategy. And the sentence, 48 cupcakes were brought to the fair. Well, today we are going to be working on how to use math drawings to represent the composition and relate drawings to a written method. I'll say that again. Use math drawings to represent the composition and relate drawings to a written method, okay? So very similarly, we're just working our way up. First we use the place value this, then the vertical way, and now we're using actual math drawings, right? Representation. So let's start out, okay? So here, watch me as I do this work, okay? I will remove this because we're not using this right now. Actually, you know what? We can still use it because here we're doing the same we're using the same strategy. So basically, the first step is represent the first number. So we have the problem 32 plus 1. Watch your teacher. Watch me. So here you have 32. So you draw 32. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. You represent the second number. 24. 10, 20, 1, 2, 21, 22, 23, 24. Excellent. And then you solve it, right? Isn't that easy? You solve it. And the answer is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. That is our answer. So you would put the answer here. And you can check it the vertical way. 4 plus 2 is 6, right? And 3 plus 2 is 56. Correct. Beautiful, beautiful. Now you use this strategy at home. Partner work with somebody at home. Please do the, solve this problem. 19 plus 41. 19 plus 41. So represent the vertical way. And then use the mathematical representation to solve it as well. I will give you a couple of minutes to do that, and then we will go over it. You can pause the video. Okay, great. So let me show you. So here you go. You first draw 19, so 10, and you draw the 10, right? And then you represent the 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? The 9 ones. So the 10 and then the 9 ones. So let me correct myself. The 10 and the 9 ones, right? Moving on. Then you represent the 41, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, and then the 1. Oh, unit switch, there's 10 ones, remember? 5 ones and 5 ones make 10 ones, which is 110, unit switch. So then you circle that, you can cross it out, and then add the 10 there, and then you get your answer. You get your answer, which is 60. Did you get that? And if you do the vertical way, 9 plus 1 is 10, right? 10 ones, you take the 0 there, You keep the 110 there. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 60. Very, very nice. And then I want you to try it with 57 plus 28. Follow the same procedures. Represent the first addend, represent the second addend, right? Represent it vertically, solve it, and then with the mathematical representation. I hope this helped. Take care. Please complete the problem sets and related problems with it.